Hey guys, this week for language, we're going to be reviewing our suffixes and learning the last two suffixes that we had to go for this year, okay? The suffixes, remember, are a part that is attached to the end of a root word to change the meaning, okay? We've learned lots of suffixes this year. I did not remember to take off the cards from the wall, boys and girls, so I don't have them with me to practice, but I bet we can think of some. Let's see. I know that we have learned the S suffix. We have learned the ES suffix. We have learned the ING suffix. We have learned the ED suffix. We have learned the LESS suffix. We have learned the NESS or NES and less suffixes. Let's see, that's 6 suffixes. S, D, ing, less, and ness. Can you think of any more that we've learned this year? You might can, because your brain is a lot younger than Miss Wilson's. I can't think of any off the top of my head, but today, this week, you're going to be using this red sheet of paper in the language section to learn 2 new suffixes. Okay, 2 new suffixes. I put a suffix sheet in here for you to remember. A suffix is an affix that is added to the end of a root word or a base word, and it changes its meaning, just so you could remember that, okay? The 2 that we're going to be working on this week, you have posters for in your packet. The first one is the suffix, and that means more, one who, like shorter, okay, would be more short, or baker would mean one who bakes. And the other one you're going to be working on is the EST suffix, which means the most or superlative, like the word slowest or fullest, which would mean the most slow or the most full. Okay, so these are the 2 that we're going to be working on this week in your language activities from the red sheet of paper. You've got a grid here for your words. It has the meaning, and it has some activities here to show you how you can add to a word, a root word plus the suffix, and then what new words you get. Okay, you're also going to have some activities to do with the sound. This one is a little story. It says, my teacher. Okay, you're going to color in the smiley faces after reading the story 3 times. Then you're going to read the story and circle all of the words with your highlighter, or you can just highlight through. Then you're going to answer these questions about the story. Okay, on this side, the directions are a little bit different. It says write all of the words for the story over here on these lines that you highlighted. Okay, all right. On this page, you're going to be working with another suffix, which is the ER suffix. Okay, here we are again, practicing that. Here are the directions. It says is a person who, and then it gives you some examples: teacher, walker, partner, runner, worker. And then what they do and the direction or the definition there. And then it says select one word and use it in a sentence. Illustrate your sentence. So you're going to pick one of these words. You're going to write the sentence here and then draw a picture of that word on the bottom. Okay? Then we're going to switch to our EST suffix. You have another poster for that. Okay? Tells you the meaning, and then it shows you here a root word, adding the suffix and the new word. You have another story here that you're going to read 3 times. Color in the smiley faces when you read. You're going to highlight the EST words with your highlighter. Answer these questions here at the bottom, and then make a list of your EST words on this side that you highlighted. Okay? You also have an EST practice page with some words, their meanings. You're going to choose one of the words from the box, write a sentence, and then draw a picture here. Okay? All right. Your last activity for the week, you're going to be working with ER and EST words. Now, I know, boys and girls, that you don't have a spinner at home because it tells you to spin and connect the the S. But here's what I want you to do. This is what we do in class. Like if you were at my small group table, you can just take a penny or a dime or a nickel or something that your parents would let you use to shake. Okay, you're going to shake it up in your hands and then you're going to drop it on the little circle by one of the words. Then you're going to add that word to the suffix and write it in the box. Okay, now you're going to have to write little because these boxes are not very big. I want you to try to fill up all of the boxes for the words. Do the same thing with est. Fill up all the boxes there. Okay, I know that you're going to enjoy this last week of language, learning about the last 2 suffixes that we do in first grade. Remember to review those, use those in your writing, and remember how to spell them correctly. Okay, talk to you later, friends.